Hi guys, my name is Dr. Rehman and I'm an implant dentist at 3Dental. At the consultation appointment, your dentist will carry out a thorough examination. Using this information, your dentist will provide a full diagnosis and treatment plan. The treatment plan will cover everything you need to know, starting from how many appointments it's going to take, what's going to happen at each appointment, and how much it's going to cost. During your consultation, this is the perfect time to ask any questions to get all the information you need so that you can make the best decision. The implant treatment options are number 1, single implants, number 2 is bridges on implants, and number 3 is full arch implants. So each implant dentist at 3Dental is linked to a treatment coordinator. You can contact the treatment coordinators who will be very happy to book you for your appointment. Implant treatment takes approximately 3 months. With modern equipment and techniques, we can assure that your implant treatment will be absolutely pain-free. And for those patients who are extra anxious, we also offer intravenous sedation. An implant consultation at 3Dental is free of charge. There is, however, a €50 deposit to secure the appointment. And if a 3D CT scan is required during your consultation, that €50 deposit can go towards that. Here at 3Dental, we have payment plans and financing options to make your treatment as affordable as possible. If you're interested in getting implants in your mouth, please book a free consultation at 3dental.ie.